Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming basics. You, the account owner, meet the age requirement and have a verified email or phone. Once done, enable 2FA to prove control and reduce false ineligibility flags. Next, check whether the same email, phone, or device was previously banned. Remove ties if possible by changing email or registering a new device. Do this now, because these prerequisites frequently trigger the not eligible status, and correcting them clears the simplest obstacles quickly. Now audit your account history methodically. Open settings, review any strikes or suspended content, and submit appeals for wrongful actions. Explain context and include timestamps. While you review, confirm which external accounts are linked, Facebook, Google, and revoke or reauthorize permissions that look unusual. Also remove content or captions that triggered moderation, once cleaned. Wait 24-72 hours for system reevaluation, and make sure you do not re-upload similar material during that window. Finish by contacting TikTok support from the app. Choose account issue, attach screenshots, and state steps you've taken. Be concise and factual. If support can't restore eligibility, wait at least 14 days, then create a new account only after changing email, phone, and network to avoid immediate cross-linking. If things still fail, clear the app cache, reinstall, and try a different Wi-Fi or cellular network. This often resolves device-linked blocks. If blocked again, follow up with support and document each attempt.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.